Quebec is the largest province in Canada, covering 15.5% of the country's land area. Its name comes from an Algonquian word meaning where the river narrows. The French in New France initially used the term Quebec to refer solely to the city of Quebec. Later, the British adopted it in a broader sense. At the end of the 17th century, religious minorities from Europe emigrated to build societies based on their beliefs. France's minorities moved to Central Europe, while British religious minorities settled in North America. Geography: Quebec shares borders with Ontario, New Brunswick, and Newfoundland. It also neighbors 4 American states: Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, and New York. The province consists of 3 physiographic regions: the St. Lawrence Lowlands, the Canadian Shield, and the Appalachian region. The St. Lawrence Lowlands, where most of Quebec's population resides, is fertile and developed. The Canadian Shield covers the northern part of Quebec, characterized by lakes and forests. The Quebec portion of the Appalachian mountain chain lies along the south bank of the St. Lawrence River. Quebec boasts diverse landscapes, including Arctic tundra, taiga, boreal forests, and temperate forests. Languages: Quebec is officially bilingual, with French as the primary language. Many residents are fluent in both French and English. Indigenous languages are also spoken by First Nations communities. Religion: Historically, Quebec was predominantly Catholic, but secularization has led to a decline in religious observance. Fun activities: explore the charming streets of Old Quebec City, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Discover the vibrant arts scene in Montreal, known for its festivals, museums, and theaters. Enjoy outdoor adventures like hiking, skiing, and kayaking in the Laurentians and Gaspé Peninsula. Food: Quebec cuisine is rich and hearty. Try iconic dishes like poutine, fries topped with cheese curds and gravy, and tourtière, a savory meat pie. Don't miss out on maple syrup products, such as maple taffy on snow. National food and games: national food, maple syrup and poutine. National game, hockey. Quebecers are passionate about it. Good places to visit: Quebec City. Explore historic sites, cobblestone streets, and the impressive Chateau Frontenac. Montreal. Enjoy multicultural neighborhoods, world-class dining, and vibrant nightlife. Charlevoix. Known for its stunning landscapes and whale-watching opportunities. Saguenay-Lac-Saint-Jean. Discover fjords, forests, and outdoor activities. Weather: Quebec experiences 4 distinct seasons. Summers are warm, while winters can be cold and snowy. Check local forecasts for specific weather details during your visit. Quebec's blend of history, culture, and natural beauty makes it a captivating destination for travelers.